Are you prepared to start an exhilarating journey into the captivating world of cryptocurrency business? Much like navigating through a maze, the initial steps of starting a crypto venture may appear labyrinthine and daunting. But fear not. We stand ready to be your trusted guide, illuminating each twist and turn with expertise and insight, ensuring your success in this dynamic realm. Picture the astounding possibility of earning a staggering $2,124,709 each month from your crypto endeavors. This isn't merely a figment of imagination, it's an achievable reality awaiting those armed with the right strategy and approach. Welcome to the ultimate compendium on how to initiate your very own crypto business. From grasping the fundamental principles to formulating a winning strategy that resonates with your unique vision, we've meticulously curated a roadmap designed to navigate you through every facet of this enthralling landscape. Let's begin this journey by demystifying the intricate workings of crypto mining, the bedrock upon which the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem stands. Cryptocurrency mining transcends mere coin creation. It's a multifaceted process intricately tied to validating transactions and fortifying the network's integrity. Envision it as deciphering enigmatic puzzles to safeguard the sanctity of the blockchain, ensuring seamless transactions and bolstering trust within the digital realm. But where does one commence this exhilarating odyssey? Launching a crypto mining venture demands a bespoke blend of specialized hardware and software. Whether you opt for GPU mining, ASIC mining, or harness the power of cloud mining, there exists a tailored approach perfectly aligned with your available resources and lofty aspirations. Pooling resources with fellow miners through participation in a mining pool serves as a force multiplier, augmenting your odds of success while fostering a collaborative spirit within the crypto community. Yet, amidst the allure of boundless opportunity, a fundamental question lingers. Is crypto mining a venture worthy of pursuit? Numerous variables such as electricity costs, hardware investments, and the capricious nature of market dynamics all converge to shape the profitability landscape. Thus, meticulous research and diligent financial analysis serve as indispensable compasses, guiding your decisions amidst the tempestuous seas of crypto mining. And let us not overlook the pivotal importance of navigating the intricate web of taxes and regulations. Traversing the global legal labyrinth governing crypto mining demands a nuanced understanding of tax laws and regulatory frameworks, ensuring compliance and fortifying the foundation of your enterprise against potential pitfalls. Congratulations! You've deftly navigated the labyrinth of commencing a crypto business. However, let us remember that this is merely the prologue to an epic saga awaiting its heroes. For deeper insights, timely updates, and sage advice from seasoned experts, we invite you to join our vibrant community. Consider subscribing to our channel, engaging with this video through likes and comments, and sharing it with kindred spirits in the crypto realm. Together, let us unlock the blueprint for unparalleled success in this wondrous domain. Join the Win Blueprint community today and start a transcendent journey toward financial empowerment and technological innovation. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for accompanying us on this exhilarating crypto odyssey. Until we reconvene, may your mining endeavors be bountiful, and may the brilliance of the blockchain illuminate your path toward prosperity and fulfillment.